Why are you investing? This is a series called Why Are You Investing, and we are speaking about time and money and investment products and financial goals and all these stuff. And today we are just going to see about the most important part, analysis part, because most of the people are thinking that you can invest once and forget about it. And I had explained about this, touched upon this in the previous videos. Please go and check the previous videos about why time and money is more important and why analysis plays an important role. Because I had seen people so confident in saying that I invested in my child education product and that is going to grow like anything over a period of time, and they are so much confident that that will take care. Just think about, sum assured is 10 lakhs and your total returns is not going to exceed more than 18 to 20 lakhs. And will it be efficient for you, for your kid, when he turns 18 or 19, 17 or 18, after 18 years? You're just born. And that, just think about, right now the cost of education in normal college itself is around 5 to 10 lakhs, and if it is IIT or IIM, the cost is going to be 30 to 40 lakhs. And in this kind of scenario, is it really good enough? And just think about, you're planning for your retirement and you invested in a costly policy saying that your retirement and pension is taken care, yearly you'll be getting a lakh. Yearly a lakh, is it really worth it? Or monthly 50,000, is it really worth it? You are 10 years down the lane and you need to increase the corpus so that you are getting yearly returns of 1 lakh or so. Or if you want yearly 3 lakhs, you need to increase your corpus to more than a crore so that it is taken care. And if you're not taking care of all these stuff, automatically the investment product is what you've chosen is wrong. Instead, choosing the equities and monitoring it continuously and doing all the needed stuff like monitoring and then checking the companies and all that stuff, that will give you a bigger returns. And this is what I meant as analysis part. Why the analysis part is more important is that your capital is more important. If it is a short term, your capital is more important. If it is a long term, the returns are more important. These are two different aspects. That is the reason I gave it in a same thing. Most of the people think that they invest the money in stock market and they expect quick returns in a span of a short term, in a weeks or months term, so that they think that that is called as proper returns. But the point is, in the short term, your capital is more important than the returns part. So that is the reason I always say that invest in a liquid mutual fund or ultra short term fund for a period of at least 6 months. You will understand why it is more important. If you are trying your money or trying your luck in stock market, you are going to lose everything. So the best thing you need to do is, capital is more important in short term, returns is more important in the long term. So anything beyond 5 years, all your financial goals, as said in the earlier videos, please go and watch the earlier videos. That is a hook I'm just giving, keep on giving, right? Because I had done a series. This is a series about investment analysis and why are you investing in your life, right? So if that is the case, please watch that video and come again. Capital is more important in short term and returns are more important in long term. Please have that in mind. Put it deep, or else for that, then only you'll be going and doing your investment analysis. That is the point. Simple as that. So are you ready? Please go and do your investment analysis and download the ebook mentioned in mentioned in the description section, so that that ebook has all other components like why time and money is important with a example, and what are the important financial products available in life and how much returns they are given, and also on the returns part of investments you are done, and the financial goals, how much you can have common financial goals and everything. So these are the things available in the ebook, and at the end you can click the course link, see what is available inside the course, and if you're interested, go and watch that course also. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button on Facebook and share button on YouTube, and click the subscriber button most importantly, so that my videos can reach out to you frequently, and I will also be able to produce videos for you guys, important videos like this, as frequent as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you in at another video.